first round, I started with magic ring. And then make 2 chains like this and put the hook into this magic ring and make double crochet here. Again, put the hook here into this magic ring and make another double crochet. You must continue this double crochet until you have 18 of this double crochet. Now I have 18 of this double crochet. Then I put the hook in the first stitch and make 1 slip stitch, and then again make 3 chains and put the hook in the same hole here and make another double crochet. Then put the hook in the next stitch and make 2 double crochet together again in the same space. So in each stitch you need 2 double crochet. Continue this until you arrive again here. I complete this round. Again I need 3 chains and then put a hook in the next stitch and make 2 double crochet together again in the same hole. Make another double crochet, then go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet here, then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet together in the same hole. Again 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet here. So you must repeat this: 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet until you arrive here. I complete this round. Then I want to change the color of the yarn and I want to use white yarn. So I put the hook here and then yarn over and make 1 slip stitch and 1 chain. Then put the hook in the same hole and when make 1 single crochet, then go to the next stitch and make another single crochet, then go to the next stitch and make 2 single crochet together. Again 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet together. So again you must continue this until you arrive here. Complete this round and I use a different color again. Then I put the hook here in the first hole or stitch and make 1 slip stitch and 1 single crochet here, then again another single crochet in the same space here, and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then again increase with 2 single crochet in next stitch, 2 single crochet together. So we need 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. Again repeat until you arrive here. I complete this, and if I put it here you can it's lemon. So I use the needle and yarn, the white yarn, to put it here and design this. Okay, like this. So design this with this yarn. When you design this, put it like this and then put a hook in the first stitch of these 2 parts and then yarn over and make 1 slip stitch. Again repeat, put the hook between these 2 stitches and yarn over and make 1 slip stitch. Again repeat this, so continue. Now this keychain is complete. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.